There's no doubt about these students' success who adopt these 10 habits in their life. You know that quiet feeling inside you? The one that says you're capable of more. But your days keep repeating. Same routine, same stress, same delays. Here's the truth most people never hear. You don't need to change your entire life. You need to change a few daily habits. These 10 habits are simple, practical, and proven by real students. If you're tired of feeling stuck, stay with me. Habit number 1. 5-minute morning reset. When you wake up, don't touch your phone. Instead, sit up. Take 5 deep breaths. Drink a glass of water. Say one thing you're grateful for. This puts you in control before the world grabs your attention. Habit number 2. Win before you consume. Before social media, messages, or videos, complete one small task. Make your bed. Stretch. Write today's top 3 tasks. Momentum starts with a win. Habit number 3. Delay your phone. No phone for the first 30 minutes of your day. Nothing is that urgent. Your brain needs calm, not chaos. Try it for 3 days. You'll feel sharper. Habit number 4. The 2-minute clear rule. If something takes less than 2 minutes, do it immediately. Small, unfinished tasks create mental noise. Clear them, and your focus improves instantly. Habit number 5. The 25-minute focus block. Study for 25 minutes, no distractions. Then rest for 5 minutes. Your brain works best in short, intense sessions, not long hours. Habit number 6. Create a focus trigger. Use one physical signal for study time. Same place, same headphones, same music. Your brain learns patterns. Repeat the trigger, focus switches on. Habit number 7. The daily 20-minute walk. Walk outside every day for 20 minutes. No phone, no music. Walking reduces stress, boosts creativity, and resets your mind. Habit number 8. Smart energy food. Avoid junk food when stressed, like nuts, bananas, dates, dark chocolate. Steady energy equals steady performance. Habit number 9. The night brain dump. Before sleeping, write everything on your mind. Worries lose power when they leave your head and hit the paper. Sleep improves, anxiety drops. Habit number 10. The 3-win rule. Every night, write down 3 wins from the day. Small wins count. This trains your brain to see progress, not failure. Now, you don't need to implement all 10 habits. Pick 3. 1 for mornings, 1 for focus, 1 for mindset. Do them daily for 7 days. Big change doesn't come from big actions. It comes from small actions done consistently. Comment your 3 habits below. Like, subscribe, and share this with a friend who needs it. You've got this. Now build your mental edge.